Are you tired of dealing with frizzy, frazzled hair? I'm Haley, and today we're going to put an end to the universal frizzy hair problem without using the same old straightener. So let's begin. I've always felt like wet hair can be so deceptive. It goes from straight and smooth to a frizzy fuzzy mess when dry. My hair drying routine was never complete without rubbing my hair in a thick towel, which always made my hair super rough. So here's what I do now instead. I take a soft cotton t-shirt that I'm kind of bored of wearing and lightly squeeze my hair with it. It absorbs all the water equally well but is super gentle on the hair so it won't over dry it, keeping my hair smooth and frizz-free. While there were a lot of moments where I almost gave in to the tempting idea of a hair smoothing treatment, something told me that Mother Nature could come to my rescue, and it did. A banana honey mask is literally tailor-made for hair like mine that is prone to static. The potassium-rich banana will moisturize and smoothen the strands, and my all-time favorite, honey, adds this amazing shine. Basically, you can't go wrong with this one. I mash a ripe banana till it's smooth, and then add 2 tablespoons of honey. For an extra kick of nourishment, you can add a tablespoon of your favorite oil, and for me that's argan. I apply it on my dry hair and put on my shower cap, leave it on for an hour and then wash it off. I'm quite a fan of heat tools. You can't beat a total hair transformation in a few minutes. But I realized that in a humid climate, my blowouts stay smooth for a short time before frizzing up, especially the baby hair. So if you face the same problem, I've got a trick for you. Switch to the cool setting. This virtually unused button can smoothen your hair without the damage and keep the hair moisture intact by closing your cuticles so your hair doesn't get rough and frizzy. Use a paddle brush and point the nozzle of the blow dryer down so you get a straighter, smoother finish. Hairstyles are always something we do when we're getting out of the house, right? But here's a style I do that is magical because it makes my hair so much straighter and sleeker. Once I'm done with my hair wash, on damp hair, I take a loose rubber band and make 5-6 ponytails that cover all my hair. I tie one band near my ear and the other towards the end of the strand. This super easy trick makes sure my hair dries smoother, straighter and softer. It really does. Give it a try and see for yourself. Frizzy hair can seem like a never-ending nightmare, but I know these tips will definitely make your life easier. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.